I am on top of the world. I am on top of my life. And it is all 'cause of you, you. I am stronger than before. I'm not alone anymore. And it is all 'cause of love, love, love,
So the chair I've got is the Karnox Legend, and I have got the fabric edition in light grey, but it's also available in PU leather and suede options in a variety of different colours. It's currently on sale for $289 US, but if you use my code, which is CF20, you're going to get yourself 20% off that price, and you'll find links to the chair in the description. The chair is recommended for people in height between 5'5" and 6'2", and of weights of less than 300 pounds. In terms of adjusting the chair, there's one lever over to the right hand side, which controls both the height and the tilt lock. I'm 6 foot tall, and with the chair in the highest setting, I find it to be very comfortable. The backrest can be adjusted by pulling the lever over to the right hand side, and it can go from 90 degrees to 155 degrees. Even at full tilt, the chair remains stable. The Karnox Legend features 4D armrests, which can be slid up and down, backwards and forwards, from side to side, and can also be twisted. As a nice touch, Karnox have included an extended mouse mat with the chair. So having built the chair and used it for a period of time, I now want to share my thoughts on the Karnox Legend. So starting off with the unboxing and packaging, so this was all really impressive. All the parts came individually packaged, and there was plenty of padding in the box to prevent any damage. The chair comes with all the tools you're going to need to install it, and it's a nice surprise to see there's so few screws needed. I think a large part of this is due to the fact that the armrests are already secured to the seat base. The instruction manual is comprehensive and easy to follow, and the build process was really straightforward, and despite the fact that I was filming everything and having to move the camera about, changing the angles, it only took me about 20 minutes or so to fully assemble the chair. And I think this is probably one of the easiest chairs that I have built. So in terms of using this chair, everything has been really positive. And I think I can say this is actually one of the most comfortable chairs that I have sat in. And that's really saying a lot, considering my main chair at the moment is a Secret Lab Titan, which is a more expensive chair, but I think this one is actually a bit more comfortable. So I had absolutely no problem at all getting the chair adjusted and into a comfortable position at my desk. I absolutely love the fabric that the chair is made from. It's lovely and soft to the touch, and is much warmer to sit against than the PU leather of my Secret Lab Titan, although I don't overheat while sitting in the chair. In terms of the support cushions, these work really well for me, and I have no trouble at all getting into a really comfortable position. And in fact, I much prefer having the separate lumbar support cushion in the Karnox Legend than the built-in lumbar support in my Secret Lab Titan. The only slight downside, while this pillow is lovely and comfortable, my Secret Lab Titan has a memory foam pillow at the top, and it is a little bit more comfortable than this one. In terms of the armrests, I have absolutely no problem getting them to a really comfortable position, and I'm able to sit at my desk without any problem. The only slight downside is adjusting them doesn't feel quite as smooth as the Secret Lab Titan, and actually having your arms in the armrest, they are a little bit firmer and harder than the Secret Lab Titan, which does have a little bit more padding in the armrests. So putting everything together, I am incredibly impressed with the Karnox Legend, and I can most definitely recommend it. In fact, I'm that impressed, I'm planning on using it as my main chair going forward. Some of you may well be saying, Karnox have sent you this chair, of course you're going to say nice things about it, but check back on my channel, I have reviewed a number of chairs, some of them I have been very critical of. There's other products I have reviewed and I always give my honest opinion, and I've said whatever you do, don't get these. This chair is good. If it wasn't, I would tell you. If you do want to pick up the chair again, you'll find a link to it in the description, and remember to use my code CF20 to get an extra 20% off the price, and at that price you're getting incredibly good value for money. So hopefully you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll see you in the next video.